What's up guys, welcome to Men and More. In today's video we are going to discuss 5 simple style hacks that you can do to elevate your style instantly. Style hack number 1. Put on your sunglasses. A sunglass is a functional and as well as stylish accessory that you can carry on these summer days. If you want to increase your style or if you want to elevate your style from a 9 to an 11, just put on some great sunglasses that matches your face and your outfit and you're going to rock the day. Style hack number 2. Fold your sleeves. Guys, your forearms are one of the most attractive body parts that you can expose. So why do you want to hide them under your shirt sleeves? Fold your shirt sleeves. When everyone is wearing half sleeves or a full sleeve shirt, you can stand out by simply folding your sleeves. And if you want to know several ways to fold your shirt sleeves, we can make a video on that topic as well. Style hack number 3. Wear a classic watch. Guys, a watch is the most important accessory that a man can own. But that does not mean that every watch is made the same. So if you want to stand out and if you want to look classic, make sure that you wear classic watches. It also does not mean that you have to spend thousands of rupees to own a watch. If you want to spend less and sport classy and timeless timepieces, make sure that you read our article by visiting our website. The link is in the description. Style hack number 4. Accessorize. Guys, even though accessories are not functional, but they can elevate your style from a 9 to 11 instantly. Apart from watches, as we discussed earlier, there are other accessories that you can sport in a harmonious manner. For example, if you're wearing a suit, make sure that you're wearing a tie. Make sure that you're putting your pocket square. And even in your casual outfit, make sure, if you're comfortable, you can wear bracelets, you can wear rings. But at the same time, you have to make sure that you don't overdo it. Hack number 5. Switch up your hairstyle. Guys, it is very easy for us to get bored with the same hairstyle that we sport every day. Once you start going to your college and once you start going to your office, you make a standard staple of your hairstyle. But if you want to look different and if you want to stand out, if you want to elevate your style, you have to take some risks, or you have to be comfortable changing up your attire and as well as your hairstyle. Your hairstyle plays an important role in how you appear and how people perceive you. Although styling your hair is a very good stylish practice, but that does not mean that you have to be careless with your hair. If you want to style your hair for a longer period of time, you have to ensure that you're taking care of your hair properly. And if you want to learn 5 best hair practices that you can do for your hair, you can watch our recent video by clicking the card here or the link in the description. Alright gentlemen, I hope that you loved watching this video and I hope that you learned something amazing today. If you liked watching this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to watch these kind of videos on a regular basis, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have some suggestions for us, please let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, stay stylish.